Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ramla's Kitchen. I would like to thank all my friends and supporters for subscribing my channel. And today I'm going to do fish sumbat. That means this is ikan cincaru, and I'm going to what is that? I'm going to stuff in some of the sambal inside. That means the sambal inside. Then I'm going to fry it. Okay, to do this fish sambal, I need this item. I need chili, I need this turmeric, garlic, onions, tomato, coriander and mint leaves, coconut, and what is this? Chili, small chili. This is what I'm going to do, the paste, the chili paste. After that, to marinate this chicken, I need this ginger garlic paste. I need this kacang kuda powder. Then I need this tepung gandum, wheat flour, and I also need some breadcrumbs. Okay, before doing the paste, I want to marinate the fish. Okay, so now I'm going to marinate. I show you all how to marinate the fish. I need 1 spoon of chili powder, coriander powder, and fish powder. Okay, I need this kacang kuda gram powder. I need this tepung gandum, wheat flour. I need this breadcrumbs. Okay, then I need this ginger garlic paste. We are marinating the fish. A little bit of salt and a little bit of rasa. We are going to marinate the fish. Now the fish is ready. Marinate. Now I'm going to do the paste, the chili paste. So when I do the chili paste, then we can put it inside the fish. Okay. To do the chili paste, as I told you all what are the ingredients, you need tomato, coconut, you have to cut tomatoes, coconut, ginger, the chili, coriander leaves, and some garlic and onions. These are the things. Okay, to grind this chili paste, you have to add a little bit of water. Just a bit of water. Okay.
Auntie. Amor.
You have to grind and make it into a thick paste. Add in some more. You can add in some more because we want to make it into a thick paste. Okay. Because this is the paste that we are going to stuff inside the fish. Finally, then add in a little bit of water so you can make it. This is the chili paste. Now this chili paste we have to cook it. Okay? Okay, see how the chili paste thick. Now this chili paste we have to cook it. After cooking only we can stuff inside. Yeah? Like that thick. You can make it some more thicker, but it's like that because we have to cook this paste. Okay? Now how a little bit of oil to cook the paste. Little bit. Okay? Okay. Because now the paste is watery, okay, you want to make it thick. Add in a little bit of salt. Add in sugar, okay. Rasa. This has to become thick, then only we can stuff inside. add in a little bit oil. So okay, now I think it's already thick. Now I'm going to dish it out. I'm going to dish it out. Now you'll see the chili is already thick. Chili paste is thick. Okay. And this chili paste, I'm going to stuff it inside the fish. Now it's thick. Chili paste, the steak, and I'm going to stuff it inside the fish. Okay, now the chili paste. A bit bigger than the food. Okay. Stuff it inside. Now it's okay. It will be 6 fish. Now I have 6 fish. I've already stuffed all the fish. Now I'm going to fry this fish. I've already poured a little bit of oil. You cannot pour a lot of oil because you have to fry it inside the oil. So I'm going to put it inside. Okay. Cannot put a lot of oil, I have to try little oil. Some people like to grill, some people like to grill, some people like to fry, but I fry. Now the work is a lot, but I think it's very tasty. Now, here's the pieces. So the fire is low, and then you have to turn the fish. See the fish, this side, one side is ready cooked, now we have to wait for the other side. So now I'm going to dish out. Another, add a little bit of oil. I've already cooked this chincharu fish. I think all have seen me. I've stuffed this fish with the sambar, and I think you all like it. I also would like to request you all to try this recipe and give me your feedback. And also, any comments, you all can also give me a comment. And I would also like you all to subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Okay, chincharu fish stuffed with sambar.